Lignosus improves my breathing with COPD.
Do you suffer with COPD? Do you find it harder to take a breath even after using your inhaler? Then please listen to this. If your wheezing, coughing, and breathing difficulties continue to wear you out, there is relief. It's Lignosus, an all-natural respiratory supplement. People are shocked at the amazing results they're experiencing. Lignosus clears the lungs of mucus and improves breathing. And with stronger lungs, your oxygen levels are higher. You sleep better at night and wake up with more energy. Lignosus is so effective, many are saying that it keeps them off steroids. Wouldn't that be great? And the best part? Lignosus is 100% pure and organic. If you're suffering from COPD and breathing difficulties, then please give Lignosus a try.